test instruction in our macro? The test is a bit test of this bit to this address. What it's going to do is it's going to AND the two values together. So it's saying, if I have that hexadecimal 8, right, so I have 00001000, I'm going to AND that with the 8 bits inside of P4 out, our memory output memory address. The AND instruction returns a 1 when? Both 1. So all of these zeros are just going to be zeroed out, and so the question is just this one bit. Is this bit a 0 or a 1? If it's a 1, what is bit test going to be returning? A 1. It's going to return that value 8, or a positive value. If in P4 out this bit is a 0, we're going to get a 0, right? So this doesn't actually return a value, but it will set the condition codes. Remember those V, Z, N, and C? So what looks at those condition codes? What instruction have we used that checks condition codes? Come on, I know you know this. We've used it a couple times already. Conditional. That should be the key word here. What instructions are conditional? Jumps. We have conditional jumps. So we can say jump if equal. So what would jump equal mean? So jump equal means they were both 1. No, that's actually the opposite.
Oh yeah.
Jump equal is going to say I'm seeing a 0, meaning that bit did not match. So if our test is returning a 0, does that mean that the button was or was not pressed? Was not pressed. Nope, sorry. But orange test is not looking at that. Orange test is looking at the actual address. So if it is pressed, it will return a 0. So, orange test. Is the orange light on? 0 means it is. So we will jump equal. Where do we want to go? To orange. We'll go into the orange subroutine. So that's our if.
And then the else would just be yellow.
Yellow?
Would just be doing the yellow, right?
So this is at the end of yellow.
Okay.
We're
Gotcha.
trying to figure out, are we going to red or orange? So, the else, whoops, would be a jump to red. And again, in this case, because of how we organized it, since we put red before, this jump to red is not needed. We will just naturally fall into the red state. But that means that instead, at the end of the red state, we need to make sure that we jump out so we don't fall into the orange state, right? So where would the red state go?
To green.
Green. Does that make sense? Everyone understand how to do the if-else? We feel pretty confident about the lab now? All right. I'm going to leave it to you guys to figure out the substates of the orange subroutine, but it's going to work in much the same way. You are welcome to add any extra subroutines or jumps that you feel are necessary. I suggest making labels for each state so you can just kind of control where you're going. And yeah, good luck everyone. Should be fun.
Thank you.